Frustrated that Copilot's Read Aloud feature just won't work? You are not alone. But don't worry, I have got the fix you need right here. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's guide, we will show you how to troubleshoot and fix the Copilot Read Aloud not working issue in Windows 11, so you can get back to listening hands-free without interruption. Let's dive in. Method 1. Check volume and device. When Read Aloud feature is not working in Copilot, check the volume and device settings. To do that, click the speaker icon in the taskbar, make sure volume is up. Next, click on the gear or settings icon and then select. Confirm the correct output device is selected. Use Copilot's volume isn't muted in system settings. Once done, close and reopen the Copilot app. If that doesn't help, restart your computer. Method 2. Check for updates. The next thing you can do is check for any available update. To do that, open Microsoft Store, then go to Library. Scroll down to Copilot and check if there is any available update. Download and install the update. You can also update your Windows to the latest version. Windows specific steps: check sound settings, press Win+I, then System, then Sound. Verify your playback device is correctly set. Method 3. Restart audio services. Press Win+R to launch Run Utility. Type services.msc in the Run command box, then press Enter. Find Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right-click on each service and restart the services. Method 4. Update audio drivers. The next thing you can do is update the audio drivers. To do that, press Win+X, then select Device Manager. Expand sound, video, and game controllers. Right-click your audio device, then select the Update Driver option. Choose Search automatically for drivers or download from your PC's manufacturer's site. Method 5. Check speech packs. The next thing you can do is check if proper speech packs are installed. Here is how to check that. Press Win+I to open settings, then select time and language, then select speech. Ensure natural voices are installed. In the Choose a Voice drop-down, select one of the natural voices. If missing, re-download the speech packs. Method 6. Try Edge browser. Open copilotmicrosoft.com in the Microsoft Edge. Use Edge's built-in Read Aloud feature as a workaround. To find that, click on the three dots menu in the address bar, then select Read Aloud, or you can use Ctrl+Shift+U key combinations. Method 7. Repair or reset Copilot app. The next thing you can do is repair or reset the Copilot app. Here is how to do so. Press Win+I combinations, then open apps, then installed apps. Find Copilot, then click on the three dots menu. Select Advanced Options. Click Repair. If issues persists, click Reset. Once done, check if the Copilot app is working as expected. Method 8. Check microphone access. The next thing you can check is microphone access is enabled. Press Win+I combination. Select Privacy and Security, then Microphone. Ensure microphone access is enabled for apps including Copilot. Method 9. Report to Microsoft. If problems continue, open Copilot, then go to the feedback option. Submit a report to Microsoft for investigation. Open the Microsoft Copilot. Look for the three dots near menu or a help icon, usually in the top right. Select Report and Issue from the menu. Choose whether it's a problem or a suggestion. Describe the issue in detail and add a screenshot if it helps. Submit the report. And that's it. You know how to resolve the Copilot Read Aloud now not working problem in Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Share your experience in the comments. Your tips might help someone else too. Thanks for tuning in, and we will catch you in the next video.